if you're a business owner and you're only talking to your accountant once a year, I think you're making a huge mistake because every quarter you could be making adjustments and doing things and working with that person to kind of figure out how to.
It's not the business owner making the mistake. That's the CPA making the
No,
mistake
yeah,
for
yeah,
sure. Yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You need a strategy in place so you're prepared for it. So it's not a mad rush at the end of the
Yeah.
year to fix things and start jamming things into IRAs or SEP IRAs or things like that to kind of you know that
Yeah.
last minute panic.
When I've talked to CPAs that do very well, ones that I refer my larger clients to, and even some of the larger firms, they do have that ongoing relationship. It's more of a almost like a subscription service. Instead of paying that,
Yeah,
maybe it's $10,000, $20,000 right before you get your taxes done. Maybe you're paying $1,000 a month,
right.
and they are proactively asking you what you're doing,
I'm a big
offering
fan of that.
ideas, and making sure that they're working with you throughout the year so that you don't have to wait until December 1 to
Right.
start making the changes, and then you're rushing before April or September if you filed an extension,
Yeah, it's already in
and
place.
trying to scramble. And ultimately, the hard thing with me is when a client comes up to me on after January 1 and says, "Hey, my accountant says I have this huge bill. What can we do?" And I'm like, "Well, some of these things we had to have in place December
Right.
31st. There's nothing we can do now." And so you want to make sure that you're with an accountant that not only is, first of all, making sure that they're up to date on everything that's happening regulation wise, tax code wise, which not every CPA is doing that, especially I don't want to knock any single sole proprietor shops because maybe they are doing them well, but it's a lot harder when you don't have a larger team that's dealing with legal side, forensic account, whatever it is. Um, but yeah, so staying up to date and actually managing the relationship. And, I have clients all the time that will say, "I don't know what I pay them for." And they'll say it doesn't matter how much, it's the fees are going up, but I'm paying more taxes every year and they're not offering me anything.
Yeah, you
So
may be outgrowing that person.